This is probably the closest to flying that you will ever get. When you have the fresh powder, you're just kind of gliding through the snow.
Last week's winter storm system bringing feet of fresh snow to the Sierra.
It was tough this year. We were making snow up till just like 10 days ago.
Barrett Burkhart, the director of mountain operations at Heavenly Ski Resort, says their business relies on people actually being able to make it up the Sierra safely.
As soon as it cleared and the sun came out, we were packed. All week it's been super busy.
And it's only expected to get busier with spring breakers heading into town.
I grew up coming to Heavenly as a kid. My parents have a timeshare right around the corner, so it feels like family mountain.
Friends Lonnie Alger and Hank Fu traveling in from the Bay Area just to get a feel of that fresh powder.
I feel like it covers up all the gunk. It's not as compact, it's not as hard, and then you just have, it's like more forgiving almost too. Just a better experience all around, I think, when you have fresh snow.
Both say South Lake Tahoe is the place to be for spring break.
When you get up to the top and you see the lake, it's literally breathtaking.
This is where the Instagrammers come. If you want that one shot.
And crews at Heavenly say they're ready.
We try to have a lot of events to keep everybody happy and having a good time during spring break.
They're also ramping up staffing to make sure lines are moving smoothly.
No matter what time of year you come up to Tahoe, I feel like it's like an escape and it's a getaway. It's gorgeous up here.
In South Lake Tahoe, Danica Hill, KCRA 3 News.